Hi dear children, welcome back to our biology class. In the previous class, we discussed about the modern agricultural practices and importance of indigenous varieties. Today we are going to discuss about one of the crises faced by farmers is the fall in price of products and exploitation by middlemen. Okay, let's discuss how can this be overcome.
First one is supporting organizations. Agricultural societies that help farmers to market their products without the help of mediators are on the rise on these days. The facility for storage of items such as pepper, coconut, arecanut, rice, vegetables, etc. is also ensured along with marketing facilities. They can sell such stored products when prices are high in the market and make profit. Loans at low interest rates are also made available to them. The second one is online organizations. With the rise in demand for organic products, online organization of farmers are gaining importance. These organizations help to identify customers for their quality organic products and ensure higher prices. Thus, modern media opens up not only a wide window for marketing but also possibilities to share knowledge and experiences. So, the supporting organizations and online organizations help the farmers to avoid the exploitation by middlemen and fall in price of products. Do you think that the agricultural practices of the farmer is scientific? What is the scientific method? The scientific method includes identifying the problem, collecting information through observation, experimentation, analysis of collected information, formulation of proper inference, improvement of inference through continuous inquiry. Scientists follow this method. Science is means to solve problems by applying accurate knowledge as well as to create a better future. The farmer is one who applies the scientific method. These scientists are the ones who sustain a society. People who deserve recognition more than any others. While eating, do we recollect that it is the result of the hard work of a farmer? The number of people engaged in agriculture, either individually or in groups, is increasing. The reason behind it is the awareness of the need of fresh, pure food. Are there group activities such as Sunday farming, family farming, etc. in your locality? What are the advantages of this? Utilization of barren land, pesticide-free food, exercise for the body, and recreation. There are many people today who wish to set up their own vegetable garden. After realizing the seriousness of health problems caused by food items that contain pesticides, what are the main obstacles in their way? Lack of space, availability of seeds, ignorance of nurturing are the obstacles faced by the people who wish to set up their own vegetable garden. These obstacles can be overcome by adopting terrace cultivation, grow bag cultivation, vertical farming, etc. This chapter deals with the possibilities to overcome some crises in the agriculture sector. Let's look at the table. This table shows the crisis faced by farmers and the possibilities to overcome the problems. The first one is the climate change. It is overcome by polyhouse farming, hydroponics. The second one is environment destruction and health problems. It is overcome by adopting scientific application of fertilizers, integrated pest management, organic waste disposal. Next one is cost of production. It is overcome by using indigenous varieties and adopting integrated farming. Next one is crop loss. It is overcome by adopting integrated pest management, soil testing. Lack of space. It is overcome by grow bag cultivation, terrace cultivation. The last one is fall in price. It is overcome by marketing through organizations of farmers. The second one, when products have less demand, convert them into agro products. There is an activity for you. Collect more information about agriculture and prepare for a seminar. The topic is Agriculture for All in Society. I hope all of you understood today's topic very well. See you in the next class.